Have you ever woken up forgetting where you placed your glasses, or struggled to remember a simple name? Or maybe your vision just doesn't feel as sharp as it used to? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Memory slips and blurry vision are common, but what if I told you there's a natural way to support both while you sleep? Yes, it's true. Certain berries are packed with compounds that help your brain stay alert and your eyes sharp. Imagine waking up each morning feeling mentally clearer, your memory stronger, and your vision noticeably better. Today, we'll uncover the top 4 berries that can do exactly that. The first berry is blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids. Research shows they help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, improve communication between brain cells, and even protect against age-related memory decline. Adding a handful of blueberries to your evening snack or smoothie can give your brain the boost it craves overnight. Next, we have blackberries. These rich, dark berries contain anthocyanins, which enhance blood flow to the brain and eyes. Better circulation means your neurons get more oxygen and nutrients, helping your memory and vision work at their best. Eating blackberries regularly can make a noticeable difference in your mental clarity and visual acuity over time. The third berry on our list is strawberries. Sweet, juicy, and powerful, strawberries are full of vitamin C and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage brain cells and eye tissues, but strawberries help neutralize those harmful compounds. A few strawberries in your evening snack or cereal can give your body the protection it needs while you rest. Finally, we have goji berries. These bright red berries are often called a superberry for a reason. They support eye health by protecting retinal cells and boosting antioxidant levels, and they also enhance cognitive function. You can eat them as a dried snack, in tea, or sprinkled over yogurt for a simple, delicious way to nourish your brain and eyes overnight. The best part? You don't have to take expensive supplements or follow complicated routines. Just incorporate these berries into your daily diet, and let nature do its work while you sleep. Your memory, focus, and vision can thank you for it. So, start today. Add blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and goji berries to your evening routine. Give your brain and eyes the natural support they deserve. You'll be amazed at how much sharper and clearer your mind and vision feel, and all while you rest. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more senior health tips that actually work.